Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alvina Rahmana Kalina Tahri, absent 2. Rusty windmills. A long time ago, a farmer came to a beautiful countryside with his family. He grew food for his family. He also had farm animals to help him in the fields. The farmer's wife and children loved the fields and the animals. Then a problem came. It didn't rain for a long time. The farmer then dug a big hole until he reached the water. He needed to water his wheat and his corn. My husband, it didn't rain for a long time. What shall we do? Asked the farmer wife. Well, I will dig a well. So the farmer dug a big hole until he reached the water. He needed to water his wheat and his corn. My husband, I'm tired. Aren't you tired too? Carrying water by hand from the well is too hard, said his wife. Well, I will build a windmill. Can you? Sure. I have learned about it. I will buy the materials in the city. The farmer bought poles and pieces of metal. He brought them with a wagon. Then he built a tiny windmill that would spin the wind and bring up the water to the family, animals, and crops. Things were as they should be. They lived happily there. When the children grew up, they moved to the city. They left the farm and the windmill behind. Time moved on. It had been years. A new road was built around the old farm, so cars and trucks passed by the farm. Darren, one of the farmer's children, came to visit the farm. He became a successful businessman. He visited his old farm with his workers. What is that? Asked Andy, Darren's friend. That's windmill. My father made it, answered Darren. That's cool, said one of the workers. That rusty thing, it doesn't work anymore. Andy and some workers laughed at the windmill. It made Darren frown at the man. Then Darren and his workers left the farm and they went to the hill near the farm. Guys, I had lived here for years before I moved to the city. I love his countryside. My dad asked me to visit in and make a change. Look, there is no electricity here. We need to build giant windmills to make electricity. I need your help, said Darren. Collaborating with a big company, Darren planned to give electricity to the people in the countryside. Few days later, trucks came and went on the new road. They brought giant poles and giant pieces of metal. Then the workers took them off the trucks and started to build giant windmills. They weren't used for water. They made electricity. Wires carried the electricity all the way to the countryside. However, it wasn't enough to build 10 windmills. The building of more windmills needed time. Just like long ago, the rain stopped. People at the countryside were starting to get very thirsty. They needed water. The hot weather made the workers tired and thirsty too. I'm thirsty. I need more water, said one of the workers. There is a well, but it is far from here, answered the other. I don't want to walk. I'm tired." One by one the workers stopped working. They went to their shelters. Andy looked worried. They were right. The well was far. The weather was hot and the rain didn't come. Didn't. Darren, our men need water to drink. People need the electricity, but without more water for our workers to drink, we'll have to stop, said Andy to Darren. There must be something we can do, said Darren. Darren took a little walk and sat down in front of his old house. It made him so sad that they couldn't help the people in the countryside. But what could be done? Then he saw his father's old rusty windmill. "Thanks, Dad," Darren smiled. Then hurriedly he got his friend and some workers to fix the old windmill. At first, Andy told him that it was impossible, but Darren convinced him. Then they gave the windmill new blades and shiny new poles. Now the old windmill looked new and shiny. After a few days, Darren was looking at the shiny old windmills and watching the wind spinning the blades. The blade pumped deep in the well, bringing up lots and lots of water. Then the thirsty workers now had cool and fresh water to drink. So they began to build the giant windmills again. Darren and his workers were happy few months later. 100 giant windmills were successfully built. The people in the countryside got electricity, and the apologies to Darren because he had underestimated the old windmill. Sometimes something which is old and rusty can be used again if we fix it.